Number 1. Chris, shall we play some sports this afternoon? Yes, let's. I want to play badminton or volleyball. How about you, Mika? I want to play badminton. Question. What does Mika want to play this afternoon? なので、バドミントンですね。これが正解です。Number 2. John, there are so many kinds of dishes at this restaurant. I can't choose. I know you, Yuki. I came here with my mother last month. I ate pizza and my mother ate sandwiches. I like it very much. What will you eat today? Pizza again? No. I'll try curry and rice today. Question. What did John eat at this restaurant last month? 食べたですね。答えはピザですね。で、また食べるのかっていうことで、今回はノーっていうことでした。Number 3ですね。これです。Number 3. Excuse me, could you tell me the way to the post office? Sure. We can see 2 hospitals over there. Turn right at the hospital on the left and go straight. You'll see the convenience store, the post office in next to it, and there is a flower shop in front of the post office. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Question. There is a post office on the map. で、これは、two hospitals これですね。これはどっちかってことです。You can see 2 hospitals over there. Turn right at the hospital. Turn right. On the left. Turn right at the hospital. On the left. これを右に曲がってください。みたいな感じですね。なので、答えはあですね。